Independently of the module you are using in LightScan software, you'll always need to interact with Spectra. For that, Sarspec implemented a set of tools that will make that interaction really easy and simple. You can find them in the bottom of your Spectra visualization area. Let me explain them individually. Let's start by Zoom box. Click and drag your mouse to select the area of the spectra you want to visualize in more detail. You can also zoom in and out using the mouse scroll. If you position your mouse directly in the axis scale and use the scroll button, it will zoom in and out. This is also possible if you position your mouse directly in the spectral area you want to zoom. In any situation, the zoom focus will be centered on your mouse position. Next is the auto scale in y-axis. If you use the left button of your mouse, it will automatically adjust the y-scale considering the maximum y-axis value of your spectra. On the other side, if you use the right button, it will activate the dynamic auto scale in y-axis function, and in continuous acquisition, the y-scale will be continuously adjusted to the maximum of your real-time spectrum. To stop this function, you just need to right-click again. Then you have the pan button. It will allow you to drag your spectra into the position you want. With the manual scale function, you can always control manually the scale that you want to see. The initial scale button will reset at any time to the full scale of your spectrometer. This is the marker function, and with it you can see and mark the coordinates of the spectra based in your mouse position. Position your mouse directly in the spectra and left-click to add the coordinates label, or right-click to remove them. It also allows you to compare the intensities of multiple spectra. Just select them in the table below. Left-click on the icon to activate and deactivate the function. With the Peak Finder function, you can find and mark the coordinates for the maximum intensity. This is done in the shaded region given by your mouse position. If you have close peaks, you can use the Zoom function to help distinguish them. Left-click to select and deselect this function. With the Erase All button, you'll be able to delete, with one click, all labels you have in the selected spectra. And finally, with the Screenshot tool, you can save an image of your current spectra area. It generates a PNG file with the possibility of selecting the best image resolution for you. And that's all. Simple, right? Cheers!